Good morning, 7 a.m. in the morning. We are in the port of Gijon. We are about to navigate around 40 miles north. We're going to go deep sea fishing, and hopefully today we'll catch a few nice big tunas. Okay, let's go. Hi guys. We hitched a ride on one of the boats taking part in a weekend fishing competition. During the summer and autumn, many competitions like this take place at the marina in Gijon. And even though the stakes are not high, there is plenty of good fun rivalry between the boats. Okay, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We've been for the last couple of hours just going deep into the sea up north. We are now 20 miles from the port of Gijon, and we are, as you can see, we are getting the boat ready for fishing. Okay, basically we are throwing 5 lines in the water, 2 of them extension lines. Okay, we are using to fish 2 lures, squid lures, and we are now trolling for the next few hours, and hopefully we'll be lucky and we'll catch some big fish. The relatively mild waters of the Cantabric Sea are teeming with sea life, and is an ideal fishing ground, especially for big fish like tuna and Bonito del Norte, which is what we are trying to catch today. Even if most of the boats will be equipped with the latest technologies, radars, GPS, etc., you will also rely on the seabirds and whale boats, which surface now and then, and are there for the same reason, to catch some fish. These are especially very nice on the grill. Absolutely nothing else. You cut them in coins, put them on the grill, fry them for a couple of minutes, olive oil, mild and salty top, and they are just amazing. Tuna fish never travel alone, and when you catch one, you're bound to catch many, which can be thirsty work, but luckily our boat was well equipped to quench our thirst. Okay, look at this. This is just amazing. You imagine yourself in the middle of the ocean, okay, with your friends and a bottle of Moët Chandon or any type of champagne, okay? So we just pour it in this. It's called a porron, okay? Because in the boat it's very difficult to handle glasses. So we do it as simple as this. Amazing, fantastic. Thank you. After an amazing day fishing, it's time to head back to port. This is definitely a great day out, and you don't need to be a seasoned fisherman to enjoy it. When renting a boat, it is best to do it in groups up to 10 in order to keep costs reasonable. Okay, it's 7 p.m. We finally arrived to Gijon. We've been 12 hours at sea. We fished 50 nice Asturian tunas, and now I think it's time to enjoy Gijon. You have tons of good restaurants, bars, very good hotels, 5-star, 4-star hotels, and a fantastic nightlife. So we're gonna enjoy and eat these fantastic tunas, and then the night, who knows? Take care.